Wait. I think I got the greatest thing for what we're going to do.
That's not even a straight line.
I know. Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, a little flower right here.
Oh, just you guys wait till you see this masterpiece of a master. Oh, that's a nice looking dude. He's floating away because he's so sad.
Well, we put like a little veil around. It's a girl. Oh shit, that's a horrible dress.
What kind of a dress? I'll say. You ready?
Yeah. We're done with Morse code. Wow. We did it.
Another month gone.
Oh, that was. I enjoyed Morse code.
Me too. I think that was the best one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really kind of sad it's over.
It was. I miss it. But we're on to March, and this month's talent
We're marching on.
is retro video games.
Video games.
Retro video games.
Retro. That's true.
Mm-hmm. Here, one sec. Where's your phone?
Yeah.
What's the definition of a talent? Because we're gonna have people going, "What? That's not a talent. That's a hobby."
First of all, it's not my hobby, and I'm not very good at video games. So it is a talent.
According to Google, talent is defined as natural aptitude or skill. And if you notice, people have different skills when they play video games. And so we're going to enhance our skills, but on retro video games, which I feel like require more skill.
This week we did a whole week of the tapping it out thing.
Yes. And
we got really good. And Brad got pretty good at knowing what letters what.
Mm-hmm.
The last day he didn't even use the cheat sheet.
Yay! That's last word.
I row that poor but tell Mr. Wom.
I know that you're tired, but tell Mr. Sandman to wait. That was fun.
I was having a rough time with that one.
Alright. Vengeance. Alright. T H A M K S. I love how I'm getting this. This makes me so happy.
Getting it, huh?
Nope. Nope.
No.
So this is supposed to be thanks for letting, but if you can tell, I got thanks inner. I think it's a V. Vetten. Thanks for Vetten. Because that's I got M. Mahat.
Stole it.
I am so confused what you're trying to say here.
I really need to.
Hey, guess Mahat. Us almost march cha.
So wrong.
Yep. That's
okay, I could say Max. So speaking Max.
So.
Insight is one word.
Dang it.
What'd you put that thing away for? Let's go. I'm going. 3, 2,
Mm-mm.
1.
No. Ah!
Why don't you pick uppercase or lowercase and stick with it? Your I's are uppercase, your D is uppercase. Nothing else is uppercase.
Probably drives you nuts.
It does.
Blah.
I need another word. Bleh.
Her last word was blah.
Bleh. I'm so thirsty. Stuff, I mean, meat.
Okay. Ah!
Come on, man.
That was an accident.
I gave you one job.
Accident.
One job. One job. That's all you have to say for yourself.
Sorry.
You're sorry.
It's a good thing it's a dry eraser. It'll come off in the wash.
I do hate you.
So is this our last day of Morse coding?
This is our last day.
What? I think because this is my last day, I'm not going to use this at all.
Not at all.
So I'm going to fold it up. I'm ready. Okay.
Nice job.
Swell.
Ready?
What was that? I love you. Whack! Oh, Will. Oh,
Wow.
I can't get the dials. It's been fun learning Morse code. It's been a really fun experience. So, for our prize, monuments?
Heritage Park.
Thank you. We're going to Heritage Park, and we're going to do a scavenger hunt.
In Morse code.
You'll find the link to that video right there. Click on that. You can watch that. And yeah, every week we come out with a new video. So watch the ones that we've already posted out. And subscribe down below. Comment. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And also Patreon. We want you to join so that you can experience the fun of learning new things and having that and fulfillment of doing a thing for a whole month. Join the club. There we go. All right.